So very excited. Good morning. It's semi-install day, so just got to the house. About to open it up, and we have a few things happening today. It's gonna get a light cleaning. We have some more deliveries, mainly bedroom furniture. So today I'm going to be putting a lot more things together and setting up, because most of the work should be done after this weekend. So excited for that and excited to complete more. But yeah, you'll kind of see what we're gonna do today. Really tired this morning. Have not had breakfast or anything, so all right, let's get into it. So this is one of the first drafts of the rendering that I sent to my client. This is the look that we're going for in the living room. This home actually has 2 laundry rooms, but the main one that they'll be using is upstairs. So this is the washer and dryer being lifted and taken upstairs. I thought it was really neat how they used this device to carry it up, but yeah, they are super strong to be able to do that. So starting off, we are going to put down the rug in the living room area. It's a washable rug, so that's why you see me putting down the foundation, and then I'm going to put the rug in on top. There goes the ottoman for the bedroom. A washable rug was a priority in this space because the owners do have dogs, and if we're going to go with white, they definitely wanted something that would be easy to keep up and something that is easy to clean. So definitely recommend washable rugs for times where you have pets or kids or anything like that, and you know you want to go light with the rug. So next we have our concrete coffee table being delivered, and that's going to go straight in the middle of the living room. This piece was such a beauty, but it's very, very heavy and good quality. So I'm happy we got this, and it's going to last a lifetime. This was a very busy day, which is why there's so many people in here coming in and out. We're doing some drywall work, fixing the door, just a bunch of things to finish off the first floor. But peep the accent chairs coming in. There's 2 swivel accent chairs on the side of the sofa. You'll see those soon. But let's switch to the master. So this is the design and rendering for the master bedroom. So this is the look we're going for, and you will see the pieces coming in slowly. Currently, everything is out of place because we are waiting for the accent wall to go up. So stay tuned for how that turns out. It's going to be literally so amazing. And then I got this viral Costco tree in, and I had to see what the size was looking like. So I went ahead and unboxed it and assembled it, and it is huge. It is a beauty. This is the tree. It is huge, taller than me. I love it. And here is an update of the master. Just finished this wallpaper. So the bed is actually gonna go against that wall. Right now it's moved over because they just finished it, so we're gonna let it dry and then we'll move everything over. This bed is super nice and cozy, boucle. And then the bench, and then this lovely, lovely tree. It's gonna stay in that corner, and then we're gonna put the dresser right over here. This is like a first draft rendering of the laundry room. The photos are just there for a placeholder for copyright reasons, but we'll be changing those out. Okay, so we're back here for a styling day. So very excited. it's so hot, so that's why I look like this. I've been working hard and sweating and stuff, so excuse how I look. But I just lugged this upstairs. Now we're in the laundry room and it's time to style the laundry room. So I'm gonna just start taking some of the things out of here. I think some of this stuff I got for the living room, so that's not going in here. This is super cute. It's going on the counter. She can put her little pods or whatever she uses. This piece is definitely, yeah, this stuff is for the living room. More things for the living room. Okay, so I didn't get too much for the, where's the base? I got a base. Maybe it's being shipped. But let's move this over here. So here's a laundry room. There's 2 upper cabinets and 2 lower cabinets. I got this because I thought it would be a cute laundry basket. So I'm just gonna leave that here. I also purchased a tray to go in this corner, a brass tray, and then I'll put this on there and then a little plant on there as well. So not a lot in here so far, but on this wall, that would be really cute to put just some type of art here on the walls like this. So I got a couple of these. I think I got 2 small ones and 2 large ones. Target is the goat. And so just having them maybe like this. And then I've got a bigger one. So we could do 2 big, 1 big, 2 small. Don't know how I'm gonna arrange it. Probably figure it out on this counter. So here's what we have for the laundry room. Thinking of putting the frames like this on the wall, and just putting some type of, I don't know, abstract or some cute art that will fit the aesthetic. But yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Okay, the tray finally came. So we're just gonna put this on top of it. And then we're supposed to have a plant right next to that. And here is our preliminary rendering of the dining room without accessories. I was so excited to install this beautiful rug. So pretty. So now I just gotta move the table to put it down. So I decided to stay neutral when it came to the rug because of the rest of the room. I want the couch in this open plan to be the star of the show. So I definitely wanted to add some sort of texture, which is why we added this beautiful rug right here, and I think it fits the space perfectly. This is the first floor guest bathroom. This house doesn't have a powder bath, but it has the entire bathroom, and this is a rendering. Next thing is I got these as a replacement for these. Just not feeling the clear, so we're gonna try those on and see what they look like. Barely covers the bulb, think we might need to change the bulbs. But it fits. So we're gonna change all those to white. I need to order some more. For guest room number 1, the owner wanted something modern but still very warm and inviting and natural. So there are a lot of warm and natural elements like linens, different earth tones, and wood tones within this space. On this guest room, this mirror is not going to stay in here, most likely. And then other stuff is gonna stay. We're gonna put the bed in between the windows, have some curtains, floor to ceiling. Love this art piece. That's gonna stay in here, probably go on this wall above a dresser. For guest room number 2, we still went with something a little more contemporary, but we still wanted to include some brown tones, and this is the look. Picked up these pieces of art. I feel like they would go great here above the bed. Or they could go on this wall above the dresser. This is another guest room. So the bed is gonna be here. And then we could probably use a piece of artwork here. I don't know, these might be too big for that space because the curtains are gonna, you know, get in the way. So guest room number 3, a little more contemporary. Black is definitely an emphasis in this room, but the big piece is the green bed. And finally, this is the last guest room. Again, bed in between the windows. May or may not need some art there. Dresser here with art. Some type of shelf or mirror here. Okay, this is another update of this guest room. Put the rug down. Those are some pillows from at home. Bedding. Really liking this rug. More to come. We had some accessories come in. I'm gonna unbox the master bedroom lamps, and they are gorgeous. Beautiful marble, black. Got some more accessories coming in, and again, marble. We got this marble chessboard that is super, super beautiful and perfect for the coffee table. It's a great conversation piece and something for your guests to do if you're entertaining. We also got some more accessories coming in, a candelabra and some trays and pots, more goodies. So here is a preview of the style living room. I'm definitely not leaving like this. I'm not completely happy with it. So I have all my accessories out. We're gonna be moving some of the things to other rooms, just playing around with things. I'm really liking the right side. It's the left side that I'm not so sure of. So yeah, hopefully we can figure this out. So this is the view of the entryway. This is the rendering and the look that we're going for. So we just got the console table delivered, and it is huge, heavy. It is solid marble, so that is to be expected, but it's just an amazing statement piece. As soon as you walk into the home, bam, it's right there in front of you. So we love, love, love this piece. So next, all we have to do is finish off the electrical and put the wall sconces in, and then we can hang the art. And for the theater room, this was the preliminary rendering that we did for the space. This space has complete surround sound. We had a media guy install a media kit, so it's perfect for watching movies. Now we just need to get the art up and the furniture. And then this is the attached bathroom, got the tile up. And this is the cabinet. And then we did the same over here. It's just like a mirrored version of it. So here's one of the renderings that we did for the game room. This room changed quite a bit. We changed location, we changed position, so that rendering is supposed to show what it's going to look like towards the end. We're going to move the desk to the right side and put the couch on this wall that you're seeing here, and then put a TV across the room. Also see in the finished look that we changed out the desk. We changed it out for something a little bit better, and we will be moving the floating shelves to in between the window, and we'll replace the blinds, the temporary blinds, with the black shades. And finally, I just wanted to show you the design of the gym, which they're going to do in the future. And that is it for this update. Please stay tuned. You do not want to miss the finished look. God bless.